Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of P&ID, which stands for Piping and Instrumentation Diagrams. P&ID, what is it? The piping and associated parts of a physical process flow are depicted in a piping and instrumentation diagram, or P&ID. The engineering industry uses it the most frequently. The role and objective of P&IDs. The upkeep and modification of the process that it graphically depicts are based on P&IDs. The diagram serves as the foundation for the creation of system control schemes such as hazard and operability study, HAZOP. During the design phase. It is a graphic depiction of the following for processing facilities: important pipe and instrument details, control and shutdown schemes, safety and regulatory requirements, fundamental startup and operational information, when and by whom to employ P&IDs, or plant and machinery inventories, are schematic representations of the functional relationships between the various components of pipework, instrumentation, and system equipment used in automation and instrumentation. Usually, engineers who are creating a manufacturing process for a physical plant construct them. These establishments typically need intricate chemical or mechanical procedures that are plotted with P&IDs in order to build a plant and ensure plant safety, which serves as a guide for process safety information, PSI, in process safety management, PSM. Examining the P&ID is usually a good place to start if something does go wrong. P&IDs are essential records to have on hand for any purpose, including streamlining an established procedure, replacing equipment, or direct the construction and design of a new facility. Changes can be managed securely and successfully with the help of the record they give, MOC. Field technicians, engineers, and operators use P&IDs to gain a deeper understanding of the process and the interconnectivity of the instruments. They can be helpful in providing contractors and employees with training. What is the purpose of P&IDs? In the field of process engineering, P&IDs are crucial for demonstrating interconnection. Nevertheless, they may not always contain specifications. Typically, specifications are given in different documents. However, they are quite helpful in a variety of ways, such as create and implement safety and control philosophies, evaluate construction processes, provide guidelines and standards for facility operation, produce documents outlining the process, establish a common language for discussing plant operations, design a conceptual layout of a manufacturing or chemical plant, provide recommendations for cost estimates, equipment design, and pipe design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Also, let me know in the comments if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in the future.